Hi, I'm James Mahoney. I'm a senior lecturer teaching digital arts in the computer science department at Dartmouth College. One class I teach is Foundations of Digital Design. This class is based on my training in architecture and my decades of experience as a professional designer and digital artist. For example, this game illustration was painted entirely in Photoshop using techniques that I teach in this class. In this class, foundational concepts and the universal principles of design will be explored through extensive analyses and a whole array of design exercises. There is no formula for great design, but there are some tried and true approaches that we cover in this class to help students find beautiful and interesting visual designs. In this class, students are challenged to move beyond common trite designs and to learn to manage stubborn design habits that we all have. Students will address visual designs with a fresh focus on the abstract formal qualities and relationships that underpin visual design. There are no hard rules in visual design, but there are consequences for all design choices. Students learn to understand these consequences and to begin to master them. The class begins with an emphasis on time-tested, modular, flexible workflows in Photoshop, while at the same time becoming more familiar with abstract image making and processes. This focus on shape, color, texture, and composition is deeply studied in the first few weeks to build a firm foundation for creating beautiful designs and core concepts adaptable for most use cases. Students will watch supplemental instructional videos and then perform a series of short design sprints in class, in addition to longer homework assignments, to further explore and practice the concepts covered in the videos. These things include design process, shape language, gestalt principles, figure ground, hierarchy, the power of abstraction, and more, leading up to logo designs. These foundational principles are combined to explore a set of useful approaches to composition, such as using a grid and clustering. In particular, students will examine the interaction of form when more than one element is placed in a composition, becoming skilled at working on the relationships of multiple graphical elements, how and when to push contrast or reduce it. At this point, students come face to face with the challenge of working abstractly, and some of them for the very first time. Students also start to apply similar concepts to motion design and begin to learn how to interpret their graphic designs in Adobe After Effects. Compositions become more sophisticated as students learn to utilize the power of generative AI as part of their design process. Color theory and color design is explored, as well as a deep dive on typography. Students then pull it all together to examine approaches to layout and page design, leveraging their newfound eye for abstract visual relationships. Generative AI and motion graphics are explored for an advanced level of digital design, combining multiple concepts and techniques, leading to a final project demonstrating skills in shape language, color design, composition, layout, typography, generative AI, and motion design. And here's a few of these from spring 2024. Thanks.